Take out bobbin. Put the bobbin cover back in place. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. Hold on to end of thread. Push bobbin winder shaft to the right until it clicks. Turn on the sewing machine. The bobbin starts winding when the foot pedal is lightly pressed. Trim the excess thread from the head of the thread. The shuttle core will automatically stop rotating when fully filled. Push shaft to the left to remove bobbin and cut thread. Pull the thread through the slit. The bobbin should spin clockwise. Pull out about 6 inches of thread. Attach the bobbin cover plate.